5.2009 Toyota Corolla 4-doors car. This vehicle features the following equipment: automatic, gas i4, 1.8L 110, FWD front-wheel drive, power steering, front disc rear drum brakes, wheel covers, steel wheels, tires front performance, tires rear performance, temporary spare tire, daytime running lights, fog lamps, power mirrors, intermittent wipers, AM/FM stereo, CD player, MP3 player, auxiliary audio input, cloth seats, bucket seats, pass-through rear seat, rear bench seat, adjustable steering wheel audio controls, leather steering wheel, trip computer, tire pressure monitor, remote trunk release, powered door locks, engine immobilizer, AC, rear defrost, driver vanity mirror, passenger vanity mirror, auxiliary power outlet, front reading lamps, anti-lock brake system,